Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Notion for dropshipping SOPs and supplier tracking. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Download the Notion app from the official website or your device's app store. Once the download is complete, open the application. Create a new account using your email address or log in if you already have an account. After logging in, click on the New Page button located in the sidebar. Name your new page Dropshipping SOPs and Supplier Tracking. To create a clean layout, choose a blank page or select a template that suits your needs. Begin by adding a header to your page by typing hashtag followed by the title, e.g., Standard Operating Procedures. Press Enter to create. Start listing your SOPs by typing relevant headings such as Product Research, Order Fulfillment, and Customer Service. For each heading, press Enter and use bullet points or checkboxes to outline steps and procedures. Next, create a section for supplier tracking. Add a table by selecting the table option from the menu. Label the columns with headings such as supplier name, contact info, product type, and lead time. Fill in the rows with your supplier information to keep everything organized. To enhance your layout, consider adding tags or categories for quick reference. You can easily share this Notion page with your team members by clicking on the Share button. Adjust the sharing permissions as needed to allow team collaboration. Regularly update your SOPs and supplier information to keep everything current. Utilize Notion's features like comments and mentions to communicate efficiently within the team. Explore additional templates in the Notion community for further customization options. Once your initial setup is complete, you can personalize it according to your specific dropshipping needs. Remember to explore Notion's integration options for a more seamless workflow. With your SOPs and supplier tracking set up in Notion, you're ready to streamline your dropshipping operations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.